You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase, this French expression. It's been borrowed from French, but it's a medical term. If you want to learn more from French and from medication, make sure to stay tuned. French pronunciation is tic. Tic douloureux. Douloureux means painful. Tic douloureux. Therefore, in English, the pronunciation is as tic. Tic douloureux. Tic douloureux. Tic douloureux from French, tic douloureux. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.